Hi guys, welcome back. The most important message I could share you today is be safe, be healthy, but most of all, help the people around you. Help the people who need it the most. That's really important today with this strange times. But keep your distance, because we don't want to spread the virus, the coronavirus of course. But don't listen to me based on those kind of things. Listen to your local authorities, what you should and should not do. But once more, important, find a way, a safe way to help the people around us. Help your family, help your grandma, help your grandfather. We're going to do that ourselves as well this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We have some first tasks. If you have some tasks for us as well, please share them. There are some slots available in the agenda. More than happy to help and assist you. We're living in Nieuw-Vennep, Haarlemmermeer in the Netherlands. So if we can do something here, please let us know. But for today, I will also want to share you some interesting things about working from home, how to be more productive from home, which tools do you need. So we'll share you some best practices. So let's do this! Tip 1. Ensure that you have a tool to collaborate with, to work closely with your colleagues through chat, through video calls, so that you are staying closely together. There are a lot of tools around like Microsoft Teams, Skype, BlueJeans, Zoom. So find those tools, implement them so that you can work closely together. Tip 2. Use your video when you are having calls with your colleagues. This is really important. People get less distracted when they're using their video, and you can look people in the eye to have a better interaction between each other. Tip 3. Working together remote with your customers and colleagues, working at the same time in the same document. Yes, this is available today. Yes, this is possible with Microsoft Word, Excel, but use this. Be more productive working together. Set up the Teams call, put on your video, open a document, working in the same document at the same time. And there is also some facts that this is way more productive through video calls instead of being in the same room. So now we have to work remotely, but also it's more productive. It's a fact that it's more productive working like this. Tip 4. Make use of the free trainings available providing today by a lot of organizations for free, like Microsoft, like SoftwareOne is doing. Use those. There are quite handy tips for you, providing how to be more productive working from home, how to be more productive with tools like Microsoft Teams, and how to use those. They're for you. Once more, use those. They're free. There are a lot of available. I will comment some links below from organizations who are providing that. So use those. Tip 5. Get rest. You need that mental vibe of working. It's really important that you get rest, not sitting in your pajamas. Then you don't have that working vibe. Get rest and ensure that you're in that working mental vibe. Tip 5. Take your breaks. There are two kind of people working from home. The first one is really distractive from their children, from what else. But the other people are just working 10 hours straight behind their desk, locked up in this room. Get your breaks, guys. It's really important to have a 15-minute walk outside, come back, because then you're way more productive than just sitting there for 10 hours a day. I'm distracted myself as well. I did 2 times tip 5, but now we're at tip 7. Don't get isolated. Don't get isolated, people. I know it's really hard these times because you're isolated, you're working from home, you need to be 1.5 meters from each other, but use those video calls. Call your family. Don't get isolated. Talk with your people around you through video calls, through your phone. That's really important. It's also really important to communicate more and more with your colleagues. Do that Friday drink in a video session, because it's really important to talk with your colleagues about the week. What happened this week? What did go wrong? What are the positive things of working from home? Talk with each other so that you get more energy for the next day, the next week. That's really important. Don't get isolated. Schedule those meetings with your colleagues and have the chat and interaction with them, also if you're working from home. So thank you for listening once again to me. If you have any questions related to working from home, if you have any tasks for me during this weekend helping people around, let me know. I will be there. Please contact me, make a comment below, send me an email, give me a phone call, no matter what. Reach out to me and I will definitely help you in this strange times. Once more, stay healthy and help people around you. Thank you. Bye bye bye.